can handle it. I can handle it. It doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't have a problem too big. I can handle it. I can handle it. It doesn't matter what the problem is. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the greatest problem-solving show on earth, where we train our brains to handle anything, anytime, anywhere, step by step. Are you ready to learn how, kids? Let's go! One thing at a time. Take one thing at a time. Any problem, big problem, I can handle it just fine. Like doing all my homework and going to bed on time. I can tackle any problem. I can handle it just fine. I can breathe in, I can breathe out. I can learn to let it go. I can find a place in my head, a quiet place I can go. And by taking one step at a time, I can train my beautiful mind. So when things get bad, I think about good. I can do this every time. I can handle it. I can handle it. It doesn't matter what it is. Doesn't have a problem too big. I can handle it. I can handle it. It doesn't matter what the problem is.